Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix when your iPhone keeps dimming when on max brightness. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find Accessibility, get into it. Here tap at Display and Text Size. Then scroll down, and here you can easily find Auto Brightness feature, and all you have to do is just toggle this feature off. Now you can move on to the next step, and in Settings open up Face ID and Passcode. On that step, enter your current passcode to get access to that options, then scroll down and make sure that Attention Aware features is disabled. If this button turns on, just hit on that to toggle it off. After that, move on to the next step. Just go to the settings again, and right here open up Display and Brightness. And here all you have to do is disable True Tone. Here is True Tone, just hit add that switcher to toggle it off. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that, and also do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful videos. See you in the next one.